Did you know that nearly half the population in the UK snore? That's an estimate by the NHS. Now, the old-fashioned idea is that it wasn't a problem for the snorer, it was only a problem for the person trying to sleep with them. But actually that's wrong. If you snore, it really impacts on your sleep quality. You'll be moving around a lot, breathing like this, and that's not good for your sleep quality. Now, the other thing that's about snoring is that you're doing a lot of mouth breathing. Very, very harsh air is coming into your body at speed, straight into your lungs, and it's not being filtered by your nose. It's not being warmed by your nose and the right quantities of moisture added to the breath. You're also not getting in the right levels of oxygen and nitric oxide. And that has an impact on your body. So snoring impacts on your sleep as well as your partner's sleep. My blog on snoring on my website has got quite a lot of techniques that you can use to start to improve, the quality of your sleep and to reduce your snoring. But if you want to do it quickly and effectively, then I do recommend a few sessions of hypnotherapy and NLP, because that will really get to grips with your snoring and help you to stop almost straight away. Really reduce the sound that you're making